Look, there are a lot of fears spreading over the coronavirus, and while the Michigan Department of Health has not yet confirmed any cases here in Michigan, it's never too early to begin protecting yourself. And one of the best ways to do that is actually through your dental hygiene. The mouth is the #1 point of entry for germs and bacteria to get into the human body. Joining me now is Dr. Amanda Sheehan. She's a doctor at Oakland Family Dental in Waterford. Dr. Sheehan, thank you so much for joining us. You've laid out some things here, some that we kind of recognize, and some are dangers that I would have never guessed.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
So we're going to start down there. Obviously, we were talking about hand sanitizer. Tough to get into, but why is hand sanitizer important for our dental health?
So you want to make sure your hands are clean when you're touching your face, touching your mouth, anything you eat, because if you have bacteria or things on your hands, that can get into your body. So you want to make sure you're cleaning your hands every time you can. Of course, any doctor is going to tell you, keep your hands nice and clean. It's going to keep you healthy, right?
And when you go to brush your teeth, people will wake up, they grab their toothbrush, but you should really wash your hands before you even get started with that.
Oh, absolutely, because you don't want that bacteria to get on your toothbrush, on your floss, and then it ends up in your mouth.
All right, and what do you have next?
So you want to make sure you're using an antibacterial mouth rinse. You can use Listerine. There's also prescriptions here, the chlorhexidine. That will actually kill the bacteria that causes gum disease. What's important is when you have gum disease, it makes you unhealthy in general. So your body's immune system is spending all this energy trying to fight that gum bacteria and that gum disease, and it's making you more likely to get sick.
So you can look perfectly healthy, but have sort of a low-level, almost infection in the mouth that your immune system is spending its energy trying to fight, and that can leave you more susceptible to other viruses.
Yeah, so
bacteria.
So your mouth is the gateway to your overall health, right? So if your mouth is not healthy, your whole body is spending all this energy trying to fight that, and it's going to make your immune system weaker.
All right, and at a time when we want our immune system to be at its best, cold and flu season at a minimum, but then of course with the coronavirus.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then as we move down here, there's some familiar things here. I see some toothpaste.
So I just wanted to remind everybody, you want to use fluoride. Fluoride's going to, of course, fight cavities, but it's also going to fight the gum bacteria that, can make you sick. So you want to make sure whatever toothpaste you're using has fluoride, and that you're flossing. Dentists love to floss, so you want to make sure you're doing that.
And we talk about fluoride. Our water is fluorinated when it comes from the taps, but so many people drink bottled water, and kids drink bottled water, so they're not getting the fluoride that they would normally get.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. And not all areas have fluoride. So you want to check with whatever city you're in. If you're on a well water, that doesn't always have fluoride. And I have a lot of patients who come in and they say, I only drink bottled water. Okay, great. Well, you should look at your brand and find out what's the pH.
So let's break this down here for us. You have 3 brands with pH. Which one is good, which one is bad?
Well, I don't even want to particularly say about
pH.
the brand, but you want to look and see what's the best one with the pH. So if you look at, Apsapir, Evian, anything that's going to be over 6, closer to 7, because remember 7 is going to be more neutral. And be careful, because sometimes things are below 5, and anything below 5 is actually going to degrade or start to create little holes in your enamel, which can cause cavities.
I was just going to say, those little holes are cavities,
yeah, that's not good.
And then so we go from water to...
Well, yeah, these are the fun things, right? So we always want to make sure we're doing that in moderation. You don't really want to have a lot of that, because that, again, is going to cause little holes or, pores in your teeth.
All right, so we want to stay away from this and hang out more on this end of the table. But again, your overall mouth health is important for your overall health, the health of your whole body.
So make sure you're seeing your dental hygienist and your dentist to get everything nice and clean, because that's going to protect your body from getting the virus.
All right, Dr. Amanda Sheehan, thank you so much for coming in. And where can people find you?
Oakland Family Dental in Waterford, Michigan.
All right, and there you are. Their website is oaklandfamilydental.com. Dr. Amanda Sheehan, thank you so much for spending some time with us.